Because there's got to be something over the last X number of years that's got to be offensive. How are you going to get rid of that?
Candace Stroud?
Well, the same way as you go into a movie store today and you pick a movie that was made in the 50s or 60s, it's not rated either. But you would have to start somewhere, and you'd have to start probably today.
What else? What's your other objections to the...
Well, I object because I don't think that it's anybody's business what you consume. I don't think that giving them a foothold, and when I say them, I mean people who believe they're doing something wonderful in the name of God to protect the morals of the entire country. They have not been elected to do this. Nobody asked them to do it.
But you would be the first person to defend their right to do it. This is a democracy for these people to stand up, for people to legitimately feel that they have an interest to be protected.
Fine, they can feel that, but when they're not elected and they want to do something that affects somebody else's life, they want to enact legislation, they want to cause an event to happen. She can have her opinion. You can have your opinion. You have yours. But when you want to have legislation and you want to have something happen that affects everybody else's life, and you haven't been elected, it shouldn't be done.
All right, we now should go, before I run out of time, to closing arguments. Candace Stroud.
Well, children do not have permission to walk into a store and buy Penthouse magazine, and children under 17 do not have permission to go to a movie and see Deep Throat. Censorship will never find fertile ground in the United States, but there are warnings on cigarette labels, there are ratings on the movies, there are labels on food, and the liquor industry has voluntarily removed its ads from television because of the high rate of teenage carnage on the highways. I think it is time for the music industry to take a look at its product and to realize that there are congressional hearings coming up in the fall. If they don't do something about the music that and the message that they're sending to children, Congress will.
Finally, summation.
Congress probably will do something about it because you can't trust them either. That's it.
That's it?
That's it.
Frank Zappa, Candace Stroud, I thank you for joining us for this night match. Thank members of the studio audience who have been here to share their own comments and their own questions. We thank you for joining us. Night Watch continues. Stay with us.